Here we have, which is appeared to be a 2012 Nordyne, and a ring unit, a GMC, and a unitary corp, which is also a York. This guy's a straight cool unit. There's a Bristol. I think it's a Bristol. Alright, the model number for this one is AC024X1221A. Serial number is W0KM04606966. It's made in 2004. And this guy's a 2-ton. It's a second unitary corp, it looks like. York. I'm gonna go with the Nordyne. It's currently off. These are got nice fan blades. Alright, the model number for this one's S4BE-024K. Serial number is FSD120609180. It's made in 2012. It's a 2-ton. It's got R22, I think. Might be a Nordyne, but this is actually a Nordyne. Here's a ream. It's currently off. Alright, the model number for this one's RA. This one just started up. Model number is RA14248J1A. Serial number is W4116190029. It's made in 2016. And that's just scared crap out of me. Now for the last unit, it's a GMC. Straight cool unit. Oh my god. Model number for this one's VSX140301AA. Serial number 15026619101. It's a 2015 GMC. 4 fan blades. The range just started up right there, but pretty much like this Nordyne. Might be a Westinghouse or a Frigidaire or a New Tone. Yeah, this seems to start up right here. And I also like this York. It might be unitary corp. But yeah, the 2004 unitary corp, the GMC unit, the Nordyne, and that ring that started up. They're all heat pumps and one straight cool unit. Over and out.